Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the comments, and then after that we're going to do the top 10 decentralized exchange coins. How about that? Let's get straight into it, shall we? Gotham says Bitrock. Yes sir, Bitrock. There's something coming on for Bitrock, right? There is a some sort of a, I don't know, a squeeze coming on. I can't say for sure, but it looks very nice. ABCDE. Woohoo! There could be a breakout coming on. Again, no guarantees. Things can always go very, very wrong. Yeah, I mean, we could still dip a little bit lower though, but I fear that if we were to dip any lower, right, this will become a descending triangle. And then Big Rock could be collapsing as well. So you need to be very, very careful, Gotham. Moving on, Bimojo, hello Skinny, thanks for updating us. Can you take a look on WTK? Okay, I took a look at WTK. It's not something that you want to be in. This is there's just nothing much here, right? Previously, there was a very nice ABCDE. Do you see this? ABCDE. We broke out, but then we came back down. And it's like, hey, yo, bro. Normally, once things break out, right, the whales are usually very impatient and they will continue pushing the price higher. But if we break out and we come back down and down and down again, I mean, we keep getting lower lows, you know, we hang around the skinny pink line. That is not good. So, yeah, this is where you get out, right? I mean, if you got in over here, right, before the break, and once you see things like this, it's like, yeah, I'm not saying you can't go any higher though, because this is also a falling channel, right? But once you see a very nice high quality ABCDE kind of a breakout, right, you want to see it keep going higher and higher. But this is not happening. So, yeah, that's not good. That's not what you want to see. So, yeah, there we go. Gotham again would be CHRP. Yes, sir. There looks to be like something going on for CHRP. Not really sure. Yes, it does look like a kind of a squeeze, but I suspect that we may still come all the way back down, right? Right. We've been getting lower lows and lower highs as well. So there is still some weakness in CHRP. We're under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still bearish for us, right? But this looks like a very nice squeeze coming on ABC, right? Maybe we might get a DE or something, but my guess is April 2024 after the halving. So you could come back to Chirpley eventually, right? You can set an alarm, right? Maybe if Chirpley goes under sub 0.2 cents, you might consider making a move over here, right? It's a very noisy area, so we might hover around this area once we hit it. Maybe, maybe not. Again, we'll have to take things one step at a time for Chirpley. So, yeah, could be something though. You're developing an eye for squeezes. That's very good. TV Time says, when will you be live? I miss seeing you. Good to see you posting on YouTube again. I'm here, boss. I'm here. You can interact with me in the comments. So, yeah, I am here. Kevin says, Skinny, there is some strange whistling sound. Is you? Oh, yeah, yes, sir. So that's what I was saying. I've been using OBS, right? I've been using OBS. I was using Streamlabs previously, and then I was like, okay, I think let's just use OBS. And I was playing around with the filters. And then apparently noise suppression works, right? I did low CPU usage, but yeah, that's not good. You want good quality, more CPU usage, noise suppression. And then I think that kind of took care of the whistling sound. Did it? Did it? Please let me know. Please let me know. I think it should be okay now. So thank you very much for letting me know. I appreciate it. Corgon says, you were checking only top 50 coins. Where did this Maple token come out from? It's a micro cap thing. Oh, I do check out categories as well. RWA coins, right? Maple falls under real world assets, so that's why I touched into Maple. I do top 50 and I also do the other subcategories, right? You know, I just go into CoinGecko, I go into categories, and then I'll just check out the categories that is, you know, high in volume, right? There must be volume, but of course you also want to be in categories where there is also volatility, right? So that's why today I was intending to do decentralized exchanges. Sometimes I just do DeFi, NFTs, layer ones. Yeah, there's so many things you can do, right? Meme, right? So many coins, right? The top 50 doesn't cover everything, right? So many other interesting coins that would be great if we could go through. So that's why we go through it systematically. Either top 50 or by categories, right? And the categories will be, you know, we kind of randomly go over them. So there you go. Kid says, how are you making money in this market, Skinny? Very good question. So I've mentioned this previously. Okay, I think I just mentioned this in private. There's this podcast by Tom Bilyeu with Arthur Hayes. Please watch this. Everybody, please just watch this. It's very, very good stuff. Very, very good stuff. Eh? Oh, yo, bro. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this is the one. I wanted to minimize this. Yeah, so there's this podcast by Tom Bilyeu with Arthur Hayes, right? A Great Depression worse than 2008. Survive and thrive during the new economic reset. Arthur Hayes. Please watch this. Absolutely must watch by Tom Bilyeu. And Arthur Hayes goes into the coins that he's already in, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Filecoin, storage, and you understand why his reasoning behind this, right? It's 2 hours and 43. Of course, you can always speed up the video to 1.5, and then you can turn on subtitles. Okay, let me just show you what I mean. Right? You can just type in subtitles, right? And then you click here for playback speed to 1.5, right? With subtitles, it should be able to speed up your consumption of this podcast, right? This is what I do for most of the videos. I normally go at 2 speed, and I just turn on the subtitles, closed captions, and after that, I go through it much faster. Anyway, this is a very, very good interview by Tom Bilyeu, and Arthur Hayes explains everything in detail. Macroeconomics, geopolitical movements, and it ties in very well with crypto. And because when the way he talks, right, he's like a degen like us, the things that he invests in, it's just like us. He's one of us. Anyway, point being, so he was saying right now, because the Fed is tightening, so there's no free money flowing around. And because of that, you could see that Bitcoin is not exactly flying, right? It has been in a lull for a very long time. And so when things are in a lull, what do? He puts his money into treasuries, right? He buys treasuries. And so right now, treasuries, you can get 5%, right? For 2-year treasury yields, right? Okay, let me just, US 2-year treasuries. What's the yields? About 5%. 5%. So let's say, for example, if you have 100K, right, liquid, then if you put it into treasuries, that will be 0.05. Okay, there'll be 5,000 for 100,000. At least you get 5,000, right? At least your money is not sitting there doing nothing. So I'm sure he has millions and millions of dollars. So let's go with $1 million first, right? So you have $1 million, right? And you have you make 5% out of it, will be 50,000, right? Divided by 12 is about 4,000 a month. That's to be honest, that's quite a significant amount of money. 4,000. So but not everybody has $1 million, right? But there are many other places where you can generate yields on your cash, right? Because Arthur is also sitting on cash. So there is actually Bitfinex, right? Bitfinex and Bitfinex yields, you can actually get it almost consistently above 10%, right? Between 10 to 20%, around there. But if you are patient enough and you're smart enough to game the system, you can actually get it at 20%. So I've been getting 20% yields consistently on Bitfinex. Some days you might miss a day or two. It doesn't hit your order in the order book. So again, not everybody has access to Bitfinex, right? You can also do it in Aave, right? Aave. You can also stake your. You can also stake your. If you're in Ethereum as well, you can do it. Markets, right? USD coin 4.38%, right? Better than doing nothing, right? Imagine if you go into Ethereum right now. Ethereum is at what's Ethereum? Let me see. Let me just check. Ethereum is at 1,005. What if we continue dropping, right, for Ethereum? So you'll be wise to put it into staking, right? Lending, staking, yeah, and you can generate yields from your cash, right? From your money. So yeah, there you go. This is how I navigate this market right now, this lull that's happening. So this is a very good question. So thank you very much for the question, Kate. So hopefully you have some money into fixed deposits or certificate of deposits. I think in the US it's called certificate of deposits. And then, yeah, I think the rates will be around 4 or 5% in the US. The rest of the world, it depends where you are. But I'm guessing it's around 5% as well. But yeah, you can actually get it much better if you have access to Bitfinex, right? And if you are an accredited investor, you can actually open an account in Bitfinex. You can get it for 20%. But you have to be smart about it. So yeah, it's kind of a secret though. But yeah, you can do it. Anyone can do it, but you got to be, smart about things. So there you go. All right. Jovan says ApeCoin. Yes, so ApeCoin has hit its BTC targets previously. But I think ApeCoin is not doing well. It's all down. We're almost at sub $1. Or have we crossed it yet? I think we've crossed it though. Yeah, so I think we're going to spend some time under sub $1. But I can already see double bullish divergences, right? Lower low on the price, but a higher low on the MACD. And a higher low on the... Sorry, higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI, but lower low on the price. So I think we might drop a little bit. And after that, there could be a strong rally coming up. But again, I can't say for sure how much lower ApeCoin is going to drop, right? We can drop to 80 cents, 70 cents, I don't know, even 60 cents as well. So... yeah, again, I will wait for a rally first and then a retrace, and is where I get in, right? I need some confirmation first. I can't just be dropped. I mean, this is what you call catching knives, right? You just don't know how much lower it's going to go. Imagine if you go in here at $1. If things drop to 80 cents, that's 20%. 70 cents, 30% gone. 60 cents, that's 40%. Because you never know, right? Yeah, there you go. There you freaking go. Hope it answers your question. All right, moving on to decentralized exchange coins. We're going to start with Uniswap, followed by Synthetix, THORChain, Curve, DYDX, 1inch, Gnosis, PancakeSwap, Loopring, and then Osmosis at number 10. Let's get straight into Uniswap, UniBTC. Here we are, Uniswap. Okay, Uniswap has been very, very scary, right? Look at this. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. It's a very big descending triangle. I don't know what's coming for Uniswap. It's not looking good. So we have two targets over here. We've acquired these targets way back in August. And we're still anticipating more downside for Uniswap. So you need to be very, very careful. Even on the USD pair as well. We see gigantic mountains as well. Oh my god. Not good, bros. Broskis and Siskis is not good. It's not good. Synthetix network, SNX against BTC. Here we are for Synthetix. Yeah, we have a target over here, 445. We're still loyal to our targets. We still expect more downside for Synthetix. It's not looking good. So be very, very careful about rushing into a trade for Synthetix against BTC. Against USD, hey, yo, bro. Against USD, there seems to be a potential squeeze coming on. I can't say for sure, right? You see lower highs, you see higher lows, right? On the BTC pair, you see a hard target towards the downside. Will it hit? I'm not too sure. Right? Every time it rallies, it gets slapped. Rallies, it gets slapped. Rally, we're being slapped right now. Again, how much lower are we going to go? Are we going to take out this low before rally? Could we drop much, much lower, taking out all of the stop sells over here? Again, we're not entirely sure. So, yeah, we can't be doing anything for Synthetix, not at the moment. RUNE THORChain. Here we are for RUNE. Anything for RUNE? Yeah, it's not good. I see Mountain 1 being formed. I think we're forming Mountain number 2, 3. We could be heading lower. Right. So, again, RUNE is not looking good yet. This was an insane run by RUNE. And then there's a deep correction. Again, we're right at the skinny pink line, but it's just like, this is like an example. We went above the skinny pink line, but we got slapped down, right? Could we get slapped down again? Yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. So we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for THORChain BTC. Against USD, it's a little bit different. Why? We're above the skinny pink line. So it's like, okay, on one hand, RUNE BTC is not exactly that strong, but on RUNE USD, it's like, oh, we're above the skinny pink line, right? If we could consolidate over here just a little bit above the skinny pink line, I'll be anticipating a continuation towards the upside for RUNE. If that happened, right? I mean, of course, if we get mountain ranges, then I guess more likely than not, so we could be reversing back down. But this is a very nice move up, right? Can you count the waves? 1, 2, 3, 4, pump, 5. Beautiful 5 waves. And to be honest, you can also count 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's why you see a hammer. But we're right at the support. Right at the skinny pink line. Are we gonna head any lower? We don't know. We don't know, broskis and siskis. We don't know. Again, at this point of time, is there anything we can know? We have to wait for a consolidation. Best thing that could happen is a consolidation. We continue higher, right? So this whole thing could be a wave 1. We get a wave 2, up for a wave 3, down for a 4, up for a 5. Something like that, right? Best bullish case scenario, but yeah, not at this point of time. So we're going to have to take things one step at a time for RUNE. Curve DAO, curve again BTC. Here we are for curve. Anything for us? Nope. We've already taken out these lows. This is bad. We would prefer it if curve could just stay above it. And then we just continue higher. But nope, we broke lower. So such is the fate of curve BTC. Against USD, okay, this is still holding. This low is still holding. I don't know if it's going to hold or not. Could we see some sort of a strong rally coming on for curve? Again, we can't say for sure. We can't say for sure. No clear signs of a bullish reversal yet, right? We would love to take a trade for curve, but we just don't see it yet. So again, we'll have to take things one step at a time for curve. We're still not entirely sure. What's next? DYDX against BTC. DYDX BTC. Here we are. Not good. Why? Look at this. Mountain range, right? Mountains, mountains, mountains. Down. Again, you can also kind of do this, right? Rising channel. Down. Not good, bros and Cs. Not good. We're under the skinny pink line, so the trend is largely still bearish. Not exactly. We're kind of going sideways. So we might drop a little bit, come back up. Consolidate here. Continue. The reversal, right? Potentially. Again, we can't say for sure. So yeah, it just doesn't really look that enticing to us. Not yet. Eventually, hopefully, but not at the moment, right? Same thing over here. You see? Descending triangle. Zip down. Even this itself. Right? Mountains, 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 mountains. We kind of have already broken the support, right? Yeah, we're on the way down. Not good. It's not good. 1 inch. Here we are for 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch is just a downer. Nope. No signs of life. Don't know when it's gonna end. USD, yeah, it's not good as well. Oh my god. 1 inch is looks like a disaster at the moment. Hopefully we see some signs of life, right? Maybe we take out these lows, right? See some signs of life, take out these lows, start a reversal of sorts, right? But yeah, not at the moment. So stay safe, boys and girls. Gnosis, GNO BTC, Bitfinex. Yeah, it's just a downer. You can see this, right? Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, down. Any clear signs of a reversal yet? Nope. Under the skinny pink line, largely in a bearish trend. Right, usually when bear trends end, we will go sideways for a while before rising higher. Nothing much for GNO BTC at the moment against USD. Yeah, there's nothing much, right? Something like a rising channel, rising wedge. Yeah, we're down. Not good, bros. Not good. PancakeSwap. Oh my god, PancakeSwap. I didn't know it was helmed by Julian Hosp. And now, yeah, cake is down. Down. Oh my god, no signs of life at all. What's happening to PancakeSwap? No idea at all. Kick BUSC. We're doing a round tripper. All the way up, all the way down. It's like, what? Yeah, the next noisy area will be here. Around 70 cents. We're $1 right now. You might think that $1 is a good place to be buying PancakeSwap, but there's no support until about 75 cents. First sign of support is at 75 cents. We don't even know if it's going to hold, right? If we drop even lower, it could be like 60 cents, 50 cents. Oh my god, what is this disaster? The all-time high, yes, at about 44 bucks. $44 to $4.40 is already 90, right? $4.40, if it dropped to 40 cents, is another 90. Just because it's dropped 90% doesn't mean it can't drop another 90%. Everything gone. So, yeah, nope. We respect the skinny pink line. As long as it's under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias for PancakeSwap. Loopring coin. Here we are for Loopring. It's not good as well. Right? Loopring has already taken out this one. Right? There are two more lows over here. We suspect it's going to be taken out by the Loopring whales, but we like the big potential. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but very nice potential for Loopring. Right? This could be a very nice A, B, C, D, E. Boom! 2025 maybe? Ooh, we like what we see, but I think we're going to sweep all of these lows first. Right? We're on the way though. So yeah, be very careful. Be very careful about rushing in. We've already taken out 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! We were saying we will take out all of these lows. It's all been taken out. So yeah, it's gone. It's gone. It's all gone. More downside. Yeah, looks like Loopring is heading to these lows as well. I think we could also be taking out these lows. Again, I can't say for sure, but Loopring doesn't really look that good. Not to me at this point of time. Sure, you may argue that there's already a double bullish divergence, lower low on the price, higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. So which means that potentially there could be a strong reversal. But yeah, again, I would not recommend rushing into anything, right? Wait for a proper bullish reversal chart pattern to form. Bus. Osmosis, Osmo BDC. Here we are for Osmo. Oh my god, what a disaster. Oh my god, disaster. Balancer. Okay, let's look at Balancer. All right, we'll end it with Balancer. BAL BTC. So BAL BTC, yeah, it's also a disaster now. Rising wedge, break lower. Mountain ranges, continues. Right, again, something like a mountain range, zip lower. Oh my god, disaster. BAL USDT. Here we are for Balancer. We have a target over here, $2.90. We're almost there. Almost there. Maybe after we hit the target, we might see some sort of a reversal. Right, 290. Where was the top? 74 to 290. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, we're not going to be rushing into anything. We'll wait for some signs of life first. So there you go. The top 10 DEX exchanges. Coins TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.